how to fix Google Chrome not working or not opening on your Android phone or even your iPhone. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to settings on your phone and then scroll down and go to the apps manager as you can see right here. And then all what you have to do is go to apps, click on it, and now all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just wait a few seconds and it will show you this page right here. As you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is click on the Google Chrome option and then click on force stop and go to the storage option. And now all what you have to do here is click on clear cache and then go back, and now as you can see, all what you have to do is restart your phone and the Google Chrome is gonna be good as it was. Don't forget to like and subscribe.